Welcome back, traders. I'm glad you're here today. In this short video, I'll show you my 100 times back-tested result in a roll in the Forex market with the Wolfe scanner multi-zigzag indicator on the 15 minutes time frame. At the end of this result, we would see the effectiveness of the Wolfe scanner multi-zigzag indicator trading strategy in the market. This trading indicator is a practical trading technique concept that a trader can apply to detect early wedge chart patterns breakout in the market in order to accumulate huge profit if properly applied. This indicator was developed by he who must not be named. As we can see, this trading indicator plots wedge chart patterns on the trading chart. The straight line constructs the wedge chart pattern. The dotted lines tend to project the take-profit target movement of the pattern breakout. To manage your risk, apply stop loss at the upper trend line that's above the last bullish swing of the rising wedge when selling the wedge pattern bearish breakout. Also, apply stop loss at the lower trend line that's below the last bearish swing of the falling wedge when buying the wedge pattern bullish breakout. As you can see, the Wolfe scanner multi-zigzag indicator is a great tool to detect reversal and continuation points in the market. As a beginner, master its continuation trading strategy before proceeding to apply it for trend reversal. I won't spend much time explaining how the indicator's parameters function in this video. If you need to refresh your knowledge about how the wedge chart pattern works in the market, you can check the list of videos on chart pattern trading strategy on our YouTube channel. It's time we proceed to execute my 100 trades based on the Wolfe scanner multi-zigzag indicator on the 15 minutes time frame in the Forex market. Here are my 100 times back-tested trading results in a roll based on the Wolfe scanner multi-zigzag indicator trading concept on the 15 minutes time frame in the Forex market. I implemented the 1 to 1.5 ratio. That was on 100 trades for 5 days. I got 60 wins and 40 losses. Most wins in a row is 6. Most losses in a row is 4. Gain on the account is 30%. Here's a good trading record. As you can see, in order to have a high winning probability, make sure to pair these trading indicator signals with strong price action candlesticks, and also avoid applying the indicator to trade a choppy market.